this quick how-to video, we're going to look at setting up a preset delivery. So engine control is the first option on the first menu. To scroll through this menu, press the blue menu button until delivery is displayed. Notice there in the brackets, the product displayed is a product that OptiMate knows is currently in the line. So when delivery is displayed, we press the green OK button to accept. We wish to deliver kerosene, so we press the green OK button again, and we wish to deliver this as a preset delivery, so we press the green OK button again to accept. On this screen here, we can input the preset volume. So the thousandths is the flashing increment. If we wish to change this selection to the hundreds, we press the blue selection button. Once the hundredths increment is flashing, we can modify this flashing 0 now using the red modification button until we see the volume displayed that we wish to deliver. Once the correct volume is displayed, we can press the green validation button to accept. OptiMate will only offer us compartments marked with the product we wish to deliver, so we can't select the wrong product from the wrong compartment. We're happy to take kerosene from compartment 1, so we press the green OK button. Start high flow will then be displayed. Press the green OK button to start that delivery. Once the preset volume has been achieved, OptiMate will display end delivery. When end delivery is displayed, press the green OK button to accept. Delivery finished, press the green OK button. We can now stop the engine using the green OK button, or leave the engine running by using the red clear button. And OptiMate will now want us to print the ticket for that delivery. Press the green OK button to print that ticket. Once the ticket's printed, OptiMate will return to engine control, the first option on the first menu.